Hello everyone, welcome you all in another tutorial of Python series. So in this series, we are going to learn about turtle mole shapes. So I'm just going to share my screen with all of you, and here I will tell you that how to create a complex shape where user will give their input and their choices. So the very first thing you all know about that we will call the libraries. We have to use some more libraries here. So I'm calling turtle library first. Then the second library I want is the time library. So I'm taking the command import time. After importing the time, I will take third library. That is just wait. Yeah. So the third library I will take as import random. So these three libraries we want here. And now what you're going to do with that is we will ask for the input. So I'm making one variable num string, and here I will give input, because of course you all know that if we want any input from the user, so we have to write. So enter the size of shape you want, and I'll make one space over here. Then after this I will write if conditional statement if num str dot is digit, means it will take the digit from the user. I will make one variable squares. I just want to create squares integer num str, means it's according to the number user has selected. Then I will take angle. So I will calculate the angle like 180 minus 180 multiply by squares, means whatever the number I have minus 2. It's actually the formula of calculating the shape and squares. So you can directly put this formula. Squares is your variable, as you know very well. Then here I have the library, I will give the command turtle dot up, means I will move my turtle with this command. Then the next one is I will make the variable 1x with 0, and second y is also 0. Then I will give turtle dot set pose, that will be x and y. And after that, we will write num shapes is equals to 8. Then I will write down the command for x in range num shapes. Then I'll put colon. Then we will write turtle dot color, and here I will write random dot random. So this command I'm going to repeat for 3 times, because RGB is the color. Okay, so we will select random combinations of colors. So I'll put commas and I'll put this thing here. Then the next command is every time I want x will increase by 5. So this is for increment, and y is also increased by 5. Then I will give the command turtle dot forward and this will be x. Then turtle dot left, this will according to the y. Then I will give the for loop for I in range squares then total dot begin, fill, total dot down, total dot forward, total dot left. It's according to the angle. Total dot forward, that will be 40. And then I'll put the print function, total dot goes, and total dot up, then total dot end, fill, and then here I will call my time. Okay, so you will write your time dot sleep. It will be 11 and total dot bye. Okay, let me run this code. So let's run it now. Here it is asking me, I want 5-side shape. Ooh, it made 5-side shape, and see the calculation. It's taking this color combination. It's every time, the different color combination, because we select the random one. Now, if I run it again, if I say give 7, suppose. So see, the color combination is different and everything is coming over here. So let me explain you the code again from the beginning. Okay, what is happening with the code? Let me go above in the code. Yes. Here in the code, it is happening that import total. You will import your library time random. Then you will ask to the user that number of sites, how many sites do we have here? Then you will put the conditional statement. If str is a digit, means if this is a digit happens, then squares is one of the variable, and you will put the variable value in, like you will put the integer, means whatever the integer user putting, you will put that inside that squares variable. You will calculate the angle. So for calculation of angle, this is a formula. Then total up, because I want to move my turtle without drawing anything, that's why it's showing like that. Then next is turtle dot set pose xy, means this is actually I am creating the coordinate for my turtle. Num shapes equals to 8. So this is also one of the variable num shapes, and I'm giving it 8. For x in range of num shapes, turtle color. So basically it's depending on this command, like the color selection will be random, random, random. So I'm just giving the random command over here. Then x is increasing by 5, y is increasing by 5, turtle forward x, y. And then again, I put the for loop over here. Like this is a for loop in range of, squares, means according to the number of sides that user has to put there. And then begin, fill, forward, and angle is also the calculated one, and forward, and this will create the shape. And here the time is also I have given here. And turtle dot by or turtle dot done is basically the same command. When you have done with the complete code with the complete command, you can simply write down this command. So everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you, and we will learn more in the series. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.